Are you trying to remove or delete Face ID from your iPhone? This can happen when you want to switch to another authentication method or no longer want Face ID enabled. Then don't worry, here's how you can do it, step by step. Solution 1. Disable Face ID for iPhone Unlock. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to access the settings. Under Use Face ID 4, turn off iPhone Unlock. Solution 2. Remove Face ID for other features. In the Face ID and passcode settings, you'll see options for Apple Pay, password, autofill, and App Store. Turn off Face ID for each of these features by toggling off the switch. Or you can even reset the whole setting, which also will help you to remove Face ID from your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove or delete Face ID from your iPhone. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.